Hey guys, Oscar here for notagrouch.com, and I want to show you a quick tutorial. This should help you with your social media management, your presence, and just the ability to share your links to your various social media profiles while using your website. So let's take a look. First, the reason why. I'm going to be doing some stuff on the background as I talk to you. But basically, anytime you can share your website or one way or another, it's a good thing because people will take a look and see what you're all about, what you blog about. If you have a business website, then maybe what services or products you sell. So instead of sending your Twitter account, for example, let's say that you have a Twitter account like I do. This is my address, twitter.com/notagrouch, right? If somebody asks me, what is your Twitter account? And we're chatting, for example, maybe on Snapchat, maybe on Facebook chat, then I would normally copy that and send it to them. Other social networks don't have an easy to remember address. Take, for example, a Fitbit account as like this one. This is my profile right here, and I cannot just share that with anybody. I mean, I can, but I don't remember that normally. So what I'm going to show you takes care of a couple of things. One, you don't ever have to remember your address. And two, it lets the other person know in a roundabout way that you have a website and that they can access it. This is how we do it. You go to your WordPress website and install a plugin called Redirection, as you see right here. Once you install it, you'll get a menu under Tools, Redirection right here. You can create a group, as I have. I created a group called Social Profiles or Social Media, and you see it right here, Social Media Links. So we're going to take a look at what I have here. View redirects. Now, a redirect is just an address that's going to go to your blog, but it's actually going to send the visitor to another destination. And you can see right here, I have one for Minds, one for Tumblr, one for Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube, Google+. I'm going to add one for my Fitbit account. So I'm going to grab this address. I'm going to copy that. And in the redirections option here, you go to the very bottom and you add a source URL. And we do /Fitbit. This is what people are going to type into their address. And let me demonstrate it first. If I go to notagrouch.com and I add Fitbit to it, I'm going to get an error because that doesn't exist. Now notice it's going to take a second. And at the end I get a 404, so that doesn't exist, okay? But we're going to add /Fitbit. I only add the slash and the last word of it because Redirection already knows that slash means the domain plus whatever you put after. So I'm going to do that. Match needs to be URL only. Action needs to be redirect to URL. And then the target URL is wherever you want that to go. In this case, I want it to go to my Fitbit profile. And we're going to put that in there just like this. Make sure that it's valid. So to do that, you can do one more test and copy that, put it into an address like this, paste it and enter, and make sure that you get to where you want to go. Okay. Once you've added that, put it into the group that you want. In this case, I'm doing social media links, and I click on add redirection. After a moment, that link will be added to this list right here. You see it at the bottom? Now, if I go to another page again and I try to do notagrouch.com/Fitbit and I click enter, I'm going to be taken to my Fitbit profile. Notice that. So now whenever I need to text my address to somebody, I need to tell them where to find me on Fitbit, for example, or whatever other profile it is, for example, Snapchat. Then it automatically takes me to the right location, and you've just put a seed in their mind about you having a website. And this happens all the time. It works great. You put that link out there for people and you share it with them because they want to connect with you there. And next thing you know, they're going to say, hey, what is this Not a Grouch thing? And they go and visit your blog. So it's a great way to let them know you have a blog without really inviting them. So you don't have to spam them about it, but you're giving them what they want, which is to connect with you in whatever social network you're in. And you can literally add 100 of this, and it doesn't matter where you want them to go. You could do this for tons of different things. For example, if you have a product, if you have another website that you want to send them to, if you have whatever you want to send people to, you can use your main website using WordPress.org and a redirect link to go to that. So I hope that was useful and helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about this, and let me know what you would be using this for. And if you have any great ideas, I'll be happy to share them on my blog. I use them for social media, I use them for a few products, and I use them for some affiliate links that I like to use. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this, if you want to see more, and leave me your feedback, comments, anything will be appreciated. And let me know any questions you have for another video if you want me to make one for you. Talk to you later. Bye.